Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 7th, assignment number 2, topic is heat measurement. In that first question, why do we use mercury or alcohol as thermometric liquids? See, mercury, the coefficient of mercury is high. Whenever small amount of heat energy is absorbed by the mercury, rapid expansion will take place. It reacts with a small change in temperature due to high amount of coefficient of expansion. That's why we can use thermometric liquids as mercury or alcohols. Next question, draw a diagram to show an activity expansion of liquids. This is the diagram expansion of liquid. You take a beaker, in that hot water, and you take a conical flask, and with a rubber car insert a capillary tube flask in this beaker. You take either hot water or cold water. If it is hot water, definitely this colored water kept in conical flask will expand by absorbing the heat energy from the hot water. If this is then the capillary tube, the resin liquid inside the capillary tube, we can observe at the labels. Table provide the diagram. Next, if it is cold water, the heat energy absorbed by the colored water which is inside the conical flask, then it contracts. Then the drop down of the level of the liquid inside the capillary tube takes place. Then we can observe clearly on the label. So this is the diagram of to show the activity of expansion of liquids. Next question, write the properties of mercury. What are the properties? Basic properties, it is coefficient of expansion is more, high coefficient of expansion, which is easily available. It expands rapidly with a small change in temperatures. Then it is appears very easily because of its shiny appearance, and it will not stick with the glass chamber or thermometer. Because why? Because its surface tension is more, that is the angle of contact with the vessel is more. That's why it will not stick, it will not wet with the vessel which is taken it, and it is easily available in nature in pure form. So these are the qualities, that's why we are using mercury as a thermometric liquid in the thermometers. Okay. Next question, write the materials required to show an activity that expansion of liquids due to heat. Just now we discussed the diagram. In that diagram, what are these? A beaker, hot water or cold water beaker, colored water conical flask, capillary tube, rubber cork, stand, and level indicator, calorimeter. Okay, so these are the materials required to do that activity, expansion of liquid activity. Okay. Next question, define the melting point of ice and what is the value of melting point of ice. Melting point of ice, a particular temperature, that is at a constant temperature, total ice get converted into liquid, that is water. That temperature is called as melting point temperature. A constant temperature at which the ice get converted into water, that temperature is called as melting point temperature. So melting point temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius. So with this, today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.